Hi, mentors. Jackie here. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what we are hoping to get from you as the mentors for our online kids for Count Day. So, the best thing that you can do is go to Pulse, go to Student Activity Report. What I want you to do is I want you to go over here to the date. And what you're going to do is you will click on this little side arrow, unclick the months that you're not wishing to look at. We're going to look at October 1st as an example. Obviously on Count Day is October 7th. And so what you're going to do is you're going to unclick any days that you don't want to look at. Let's pretend that this is October 7th because I want to show you how it's going to be sorted by student. And then so you can see here that on October 1st, Andrew Fackler, Connor Ware, Zachary Lennox, all of these students logged on 10/1. And so what I'm hoping on Wednesday 10/7 that you'll be able to isolate this date right here to say October 7th, and then all of your students who logged on that day will be able to be highlighted here. Now you can see this one student put in 102 minutes on October 1st, and that's pretty impressive. Another way that we can do this is to search a specific student. So let's go with Jack Baker. You type in the child's name, and then you can see on 10/1, he signed into social studies, science, math, and English. That's what we're looking for. We are looking for our students to be logging into every single class for a period of time. This is our best snapshot. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's really important that you note that so that we know that our students are accounted for. So going back to Kelly's mentor log, you're going to put the names of your students here under pupil name, and you're going to check that they were on all 4 of those classes. And if you do, you can check mark it right here in this space right here. And so if all of your students have an X right here, you are done accounting for them. If there's a student that is not logging in, hopefully by the end of the day or about 2 o'clock-ish, you'll be able to have a chance to check on this during your prep or during your lunch just to see where your kiddos are. If by the end of your day you've seen that students have not logged in, I would highly recommend you email them or call them to make sure that they actually log in so that you don't have to spend time doing this and monitoring them for the rest of the month. And so that is your best bet, to go to Pulse, to connect the date to 10/7, so unhighlighting the days that you don't want, and making sure that the one that is check marked is the month you're looking for. So this would be 10, and then obviously on Wednesday we want to unclick one, and unclick all of these and just have the 7 clicked. So it'll be 10/7. And then you can click OK to see the students of yours that are all signed in on the 1st. To make sure that they sign into all their classes, again, you just go and put your student's name, and then you'll see that they were on all 4 of their classes. If they went on all 4 of their classes, go back to this mentor log, make sure their name is here, click on here. Or if you printed it out, you can just check mark it. And if that's the case, then they are done. You have no more obligation to account for them. Okay, so I hope this helped you see how we're going to be looking at our students to make sure that they're all logged in on October 7th. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this was an answer to all your questions.